Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be tying a very simple turban gele, and this gele is the easiest you can tie, trust me. So first off, you start by making your base pleats, and please make your base pleats on your leg, especially if you're a beginner. This way it's easier for you. So in this video I'm making 5 base pleats. So this is how I'll be taking my pleat so that I do not lose my pleat. So once you hold your pleats like this, then you bring it like this and you place it on your head. That way you won't lose your pleat. So I placed my pleat from the back because that is how this style of gele is. So it is from back to front, like you're tying a v-shaped gele. So if this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you stay till the end to get this tutorial. So yeah, I am arranging the pleat from the back to the front. So you want to make sure that you have your 5 base pleats complete at the front. Make sure that even if it's 4 you picked initially, you want to have the 4. If it's 5, you want to have the 5, and if it's 6, you want to have the 6. But make sure that you don't stress yourself too much as a beginner so that you can get it done. So I have done this for one side and I'm going to be doing it for the other side. So yeah, I'm just using my hand to hold on to this one so I don't lose it. Then I bring the other one over it, so that way I am holding it down and I am bringing my pleats to the front. So if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back. Thank you for finding my videos useful, and I would implore you to continue coming back. So I am on my 3rd pleat here and I am going to my 4th pleat, then before I take the 5th pleat. So this gele is really basic, it's really beginner friendly, and honestly you cannot go wrong with it. You can take it to church, to owambe, for anything, because the gele is really easy to tie and it's really cool to rock. So at this point I take the whole of my flap into a bunch, so you can see I'm bunching down neatly. Please make sure that you bunch down neatly. So once you take it into a bunch, you want to really take your time, especially as a beginner. Then you make a twist. You can see how easy I made the twist. You just like twist your hands together and you continue to make the twist till the end of the gele. So just make the bunch neatly, please, neatly. So you twist it till the end of the gele. At the same time, you want to make sure that your gele is firm on your head. Please make sure it's firm on your head. Then you tuck it inside. You tuck it inside that opening and you close up. So this gele is as easy as you are seeing it. Please, you want to close up neatly. You want to make sure that your gele is neat. Finish your gele neatly. So at this point I just close and I take my pins. So obviously you use your pins to close up and you have your turban twist gele. This gele is as simple as ABC, and I hope that you'll be trying it out. If you've been watching my videos and you've not been trying, this gele is one thing you really want to start with. It's as easy as you see it in this video. So you can give it a try today for your owambe, for your church program, just anything you need gele for. This gele will come to your rescue. I hope that you got something from this video. And so at this point I just shift back a little to show off my airlines, and that brings us to the end of the video. I'll see you in my next one.